Okay, so this is a 45 centimetre slimline dishwasher. The choice in these is again lower, so more of a speciality product, but if you've just got a little niche in your kitchen and you want to put a really good dishwasher in it, this is as good as you're going to get. Wash choices are typical for what you get from these machines. You've got the eco ones, you've got your auto, very convenient to sort itself out. You've got the intense ones, and you've got the ability to speed up programs and things like that. You can get a full dishwasher cycle done in around an hour. If you pop this open, you'll see that it's still got the Miele cutlery tray at the top there. You've still got the middle drawer there with the orange levers, so you can flick it up and down even when it's fully loaded for that sheer convenience of loading. And again, a nice big handle here so you can bring it out. And again, the orange detail so you can be very flexible, folding things down so you can get saucepans in and things like that at the same time as all your pots and plates and things like that. And you've still got grippers there for wine glasses and anything that you might want to put in there that you don't want rattling about. Typical Miele build quality, full stainless steel tub, everything you expect, tested the last 15 to 20 years. That's 45 centimetres.